Okay, I'm back inside. I'm away from the thunder and the rain, and we're gonna keep looking at this book for signs of spring. So we noticed the butterflies, and these trees were getting flowers. We said that, what's the word for baby goats? Do you remember? Kid. And now I see over here, what animal is that? So Little Blue says, yoo-hoo, cow just munching corn. I'm gonna open it up and see what it is. Yoo-hoo, little calf just born. Calf is the word for a baby cow. Mama Pig, who's in your pen? Who do you think is in there? Do you have any guesses? I see some more signs of spring here, that flowers are starting to grow. Let's see who's gonna be in there. Oh my goodness, look at all those piglets. How many piglets do you think that is, if you had to estimate? What's your guess? 5, 10, 20, 100? How many? Well, we can count, so I'm gonna touch each little piglet while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 piglets. Do you remember how many, what was it, ducks there were? Let's see. Nope, that's cow. Here's the ducks. How many ducks were there? Do you remember? It was 9. 9 ducks. 10 piglets. Which one is more? Are there more ducks or more piglets? If there's 9 ducks and 10 piglets, which number is bigger? It's 10. 10's bigger. All right, friends. Ears and clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo, bunny. There's the bunny, look, hiding right there. Look at all those beautiful flowers. Look at these silly frogs. They've made crowns out of flowers and they're wearing them on their heads. Have you ever made a crown of flowers on your head? Let's see what Bunny has. Do you think she has babies too? Let's find out. Ooh, bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. So how many babies is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 bunnies. This one is eating a carrot. What's that nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Who's inside this smooth, round dome? So look at that. What's in there? What is that? Everybody else is having babies, but I don't see a baby here for this chicken. I only see this. Doesn't look like a baby to me. What do you guys think it is? There's a clue. They were saying there was tapping, tapping coming from it. What could be tap, tap, tapping? This looks kind of like an egg to me because it's white and it's round. And I know that chickens lay eggs. So let's see. Let's see. Chickadee. Look at him. Chick, chick, come on out. Look at that baby chick. Came right out of that egg. Now it says, yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. And there's all of their friends and all of their babies and all of those signs of spring that we talked about. And the signs of the spring were the trees were getting leaves, flowers were starting to grow, animals were having babies. And look up here. What's in this nest? 3 little eggs. This is a kind of a bird that's called a robin. And robin eggs, I don't know if you can see it, are blue. Isn't that interesting? They have blue eggs. I think the chicken egg, let's go back and look at what color the chicken egg was. What color was the chicken egg there? That one's white. And these are blue. Interesting. Do you think the baby will come out and be blue? I don't know. All right, well, that is the end of that story. So I want you guys to go outside or look out your window and talk to your family about what you see outside that's telling you that springtime is coming. What kind of things do you see? What do you see the trees doing? What do you see the flowers doing? Do you see flowers? Maybe not yet. What do you notice outside that lets you know that it's spring? And tomorrow we can take a walk in my yard and I can find some signs of spring with you. All right, friends, see you later.